You like that? Careful, Em. What you doing with your hat, Em? That's such a pretty hat. Quite colorful. You can put it on? You can put it on? The little brother's watching her sister be crazy. Oh, buddy. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, Emma, can I have your pacifier? You don't need that. Oh, take you. Put your head on him. Are you going to rock, brother? Be gentle. Gentle rocks. Gentle rocks. Careful. Gentle rocks, Emma. Good job. Good girl, Em. Do you want to give him love? Do you want to give him love? Em? Give your brother a hug. That's a monkey. Good job, Emma. You love your brother. Do you love him? What? What do you want? Do you want wood blocks? Yeah? Wood blocks? Say more? Good job. Let's get some wood blocks. Is this what you want? Yeah? More? Good girl. Here we go. Oh my word. Oh my word. What are you going to do with those blocks, Emma? Yep, you're going to run right through them. Oh, careful. Now you want to pick them all up? Good girl. One at a time. We're going to be here all day. Hi, buddy. Hi, Crew. Can you smile for Mommy? Can we get a smile? Can we get a smile? Hi. Oh. Hi. Oh, buddy. You don't look happy. You don't look comfy. Okay.